Hey YouTube, this is the African Mama Arthur Williams. Tired as hell. I'm at Pecos here at the Pilot. The title of this video is Invest in Yourself. Okay. Whether you're driving for someone or you're driving for yourself, you have to invest in yourself. What I mean? By buying tools. Have your own toolbox, your own toolkit. You have some duct tapes, some crazy glue, and other stuff. You have to invest in yourself, because the time that you will lose and the money that you will lose by taking your truck or your trailer to a shop to get fixed, that time, that money could have been going in your pocket. Most of the problems that we face driving in the oil field, it's not really of a big deal, you know, unless you got a busted up tire. Most of the problems you can fix yourself. Okay? For example, when I got this trailer, this is the airline. This is the trailer airline. It was leaking. It was leaking right here. Let me turn this thing around. Oh, I can't turn it around? Okay. It was leaking right here. I duct taped it and I drove it to a Love's. And I purchased one of these and I installed it myself. If I had waited for a mobile mechanic to come and then install this and fix it myself and then charge me, I would have lost a lot of money. This is an easy thing that you can do as long as you have the tools. Very easy. Next time I'm fixing one of this, I'm going to do a video. Very easy. Then my next problem was I had a busted up hose. My hose was busted. My hose was busted on this trailer. The hose coming out down. This hose. Can you guys see? I gotta turn this camera around, man. This hose coming on here was busted. As you can see me, I'm very dirty now. I just went under the trailer and I changed it. I disconnected it from here and I replaced it. These are all things that you can do. If you wait, even if you are a company driver and you have a problem like this, you have the tools and everything, and you have an extra hose. If you say you're waiting for a mechanic to come and change this, you are going to sit for hours. Hours that you are not getting paid. You're going to sit for hours. You are not getting paid. The company isn't getting paid. The company is losing money. The company, if it's a small company, is thinking, well, this guy broke down. He could have fixed that thing himself. Instead, he called a mobile. he called a roadside guy to come and fix it. That's money out of your pocket. Money out of the company's pocket. The biggest problem with these works is you getting dirty. You getting dirty. This is what I changed. I hope I can turn this thing around, man. I don't know why I can't turn this thing around. So you guys know, every video that I have posted, I don't edit. I'm not a professional yet. I don't have the time to learn all that stuff. Every video that I've posted online, they have mistakes because I don't edit. Just how I record them, that's how I post them. See, I had a leak. What I did, I'm gonna show you guys. if you have a leak like this, right? Oh man, I should have done this before starting the video. My battery is low. Oh, forget it. I had a leak. What I did, I had a shut hose. I covered the hose, I glue it, and then I duct tape it with the regular duct tape. And then I duct tape it with the Gorilla duct tape. This duct tape. It was working just fine. But this morning at the well, the sand coordinator said that I should fix this before I return to the well. That's why I had to get on here. I had to crawl up on here and replace it. Now, the company wanted for me to go all the way to Midland. I'm in Beckless, right? The company wanted for me to travel all the way to Midland just to have this replaced. That's money out of my pocket. So I went right ahead. I changed it myself. Yeah, look, and the only downside, I'm out of a hose. I'm out of a 20-footer. Sorry, the camera is twisted. I'm out of the hose right now. But it is better that you fix these things yourself. Even if you're a company driver, fix it, start rolling again, and make your money. Now, if I had gone to Midland, Texas to fix this, I wouldn't have been able to get loads tonight. Because I fixed this hose tonight, I'm going to roll. I'm going to work tonight. Okay, so this was just a short video to show you guys some of the things that you can do yourself. You don't have to call a mechanic. If you have a busted up hose coming from the belly of your trailer, okay, all you do, you go around. All you do, you crawl under there. Disconnect it over there, pass it through that U-iron, unscrew this, take it out. That's what you do. By doing this, you're going to save yourself a whole lot of money and time. Okay? And especially if you are planning on getting your own truck, you take the opportunity of doing this while driving for someone else to learn. You learn this on somebody else's truck or trailer, so that when you have your truck and trailer, it's easier for you. You don't have to call no mechanic. Just do it yourself. So, well, like 8 minutes. This is the African Mamba. You're not going to stop it from rolling. I got to make that green notes. On another topic, I met a driver today. He's with Cisco now. He told me he was coming to drive for me, but another guy called him, and he's here. I helped him out this morning. He looks like a cool dude. I got a driver anyway. I got a driver. He's gonna be here tomorrow. He's coming from Philadelphia. He's gonna be here tomorrow. He's gonna drive for me. So I don't need a driver right now, but hopefully by the end of next month, I will be adding another truck. I'll be needing another driver. Okay, my whole goal, my whole plan has changed. When I got the Cisco, I spoke to some owner-ups. I got a different perspective. My whole vision has changed. Okay. I met this owner up. He got 10 trucks. 10 trucks. That's what he has. All he does, he's home with his wife, and he manages his trucks from home. He's not driving. That's a pretty good gig. Pretty good gig. So my whole perspective, my whole vision or plan has changed. I plan on adding trucks. As I make the money, I'm going to add trucks. It would have been easier, or it would be easier, if I had like 3 or 4 other owner ops. For 3 or 4 of us or 5 of us come together, form a partnership, and then work towards building up a fleet. That's much easier, but who knows, I might expand on that in another video. Okay, but I'm about to go do my laundry, take a shower, and rest for the night, because I'm going to start running tonight. This is the African Mamba. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for showing love. Peace out.